morning, guys. It's literally 3 o'clock in the morning, and I am about to get ready to get up to go to work. Oh, so tired. Like, I'm so very tired. But yeah, this is what happens. Literally be here on my bed for another 5 to 10 minutes. Literally, I'm tired. We should get up. So a lot of people think like I dress as a trainer. Literally, I just want to be comfortable at work. So leggings, my shirt that says my company that I work for, and my sweater. This is literally what I wear just to go to work. Literally. And I have a whole entire mess. 2 or 3 days ago, this is what happens when a YouTuber goes crazy. Literally. I was trying to figure out which one was going to use. Don't mind me, like, I'm 24. So, literally, this is it. But, it's literally 3:41, 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna go to wait for the bus. My life. So I forgot to do an ending for my last video, so I'm somewhere on vacation, not gonna say where, but post notification goes to Melissa. Why is this going all types of crazy? Thank you. But goes out to Melissa X Makeup. Her thing will be on the description below, and her base will be right over here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and all that jibber jabber. We're literally just chilling here. So yeah, I see you guys next time. Bye.